If you have a job, I believe you should be publishing books on Amazon KDP. Now, I'm not telling you to quit your job. Matter of fact, if you've been watching me for any amount of time, you already know I don't even be telling people to quit their job without a plan. But what I am saying is this: your job might be the very thing God is using to fund the business that's going to give you more freedom later. I'm gonna tell you why, but before I do, welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Latoya Nicole. So happy to have you. Make sure you go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button so that I know to keep putting out more content like this. And also, are you still working a 9-to-5? If you are, drop in the comments 9-to-5. So here is what I know. I know you have a job. I know you have responsibilities. I know you have bills. I know you have goals. And I know you probably have a family depending on you. And I also know that if you clicked on this video, there is a good chance that you've been thinking about starting some type of online business. Maybe it's Amazon KDP, or maybe it's digital products. But for whatever reason, you haven't started, and today we're going to change that, because you're going to use your 9-to-5 to fund your 5-to-9. And I know there are probably days where you get up to go to work and you're like, girl, I don't even really feel like going to this job. Trust me, I have been there. I know exactly what that feels like. But instead of looking at your job like it's the enemy, I want you to look at it differently. Your job can fund your publishing business. At least that's what I did when I was still working a 9-to-5. Because think about it, your paycheck can pay for ChatGPT. Your paycheck can pay for Canva Pro if you decide to use that. It can pay for an illustrator, your author copies when you get ready to order your books and make sure everything looks good. It can even pay for your website, so don't despise where you are. Use it as a stepping stone to continue to build, because it can finance where you're going. And I really need you to hear that. Don't despise your 9-to-5 and where you currently are, because it can finance where you want to be. Some of y'all know that I left my career back in 2021. But before that happened, I wasn't just sitting around like, dang, I don't want to go to this job today, but I'm gonna go ahead and get up and go anyway. I was like, I really don't feel like going to this job today, but I'm gonna go and give it my all. And while I'm on my breaks, I'm gonna be planning what I really want to do. So I had found this illustrator, and on my lunch breaks, I was up there reviewing the illustrations that she had sent me, telling her I like this one, make changes to this one. Because back when I started, I didn't have AI, right? So I had to actually hire an illustrator, and I ain't mine. So I would be reviewing my illustrations, planning out everything I wanted in my coloring book, researching keywords, and working on my business, all of that on my breaks, my lunches, and during my 5-to-9 after work. And my personal goal wasn't just to publish a coloring book. It was to publish something that would give me the freedom that I wanted, which was I would have the option to work if I wanted to work. And that's exactly why I'm encouraging you today. See, most people don't start something until their back is against the wall. I'm telling you to start before your back gets against the wall. So use your job to fund your vision and your business. And so now that we got that out of the way, now you're going to create books that people are already searching for, because there's no point in publishing books on Amazon KDP that are not going to sell. And I'll show you exactly what I do to find books that people are already searching for in just a minute. If you already have a book idea, go ahead and put me in the comments. But here's where I see so many beginners mess up. They come up with this amazing idea in their head, right? They spend all this time and energy creating it. They publish it on Amazon KDP, and then crickets. Nobody buys it. And then they're like, I don't know what happened. My book ain't selling. Come here, let me tell you what happened. They created a book they wanted to make, instead of creating a book people were already looking for. So Amazon is a search engine. People wake up every single day typing things into that search bar. They're searching for journals. They're searching for planners, coloring books, children's books, activity books, all kinds of books. So your job isn't to convince people that they need a book. Your job is simply to create the book they've already been searching for. You ever had a salesman come to your house and try to sell you something you absolutely don't need? But then you have another salesman come to your house and you needed this thing. So it doesn't take him much work because you already needed it, right? That's the same way the Amazon algorithm works. It takes less work to sell something that someone is already looking for. That's why you need that ChatGPT subscription that I was talking about, that your job is going to fund, because ChatGPT can help you go through the research, as well as Amazon's search bar. You can use that to research what people are already searching for as well. Just by typing in, you can start by A, then go to B, then go to C, and you'll see things drop in the drop down. Those are terms people are already searching for. Use those terms in your title. But let me show you an example real quick of how you can search with ChatGPT first. And so I did a search that said, I'm getting ready to publish a book on Amazon KDP, but I need you to be an Amazon KDP self-publishing expert and tell me the top 10 types of coloring books people are looking for. And as you can see, it gives you a list of coloring book niches that people are searching for right now. Cozy coloring books, bold and easy coloring books, faith-based coloring books, etc. And before I show you how to do a search on Amazon KDP, let me also show you why the subscription for ChatGPT is so necessary, because it can do multiple things. So I said, can you create me a bold and easy, simple coloring page that has cute animals on it? And there you go. So you can use that one monthly subscription to do multiple things on ChatGPT. Let me show you what I mean right quick of how to do this on Amazon. So if you come to Amazon.com and let's say I start typing something like gratitude, as you can see, it's already starting to populate these keywords or search terms like gratitude journal for women. These are terms that people have already been looking for. Now, I am using a free Chrome extension called AMZ Expander, and you can download that. However, if you do not have the free Chrome extension, Amazon search bar still gives you some of the same types of information, right? You just won't have as many, but it'll still give them to you. So why are these search terms and keywords important? Because these are the terms that you would include in the title and the subtitle of your book if you have a relevant book. So for example, if you click on Gratitude Journal for Women, you can actually see that there are over 5,000 results for this type of journal. Now, this is important because when I'm looking for books to publish, I usually try to find search terms that have like less than 2,000 results. That way I know it's not too saturated. But like I said, you use these keywords in your book title or your book subtitle. Also, Amazon allows you 7 keywords when you are publishing your book, and these are some of the same keywords, as long as they're relevant to your book, that you can enter in that keyword section as well. So this is very useful for that. Next, you're going to solve one problem. I see a lot of people make this mistake. A lot of people think they have to publish 50 books before they're able to make money. I'd rather you publish one really good book that solves one real problem, because most people don't wake up saying, I'm gonna just go ahead and go to Amazon and spend $20 today. Most people wake up saying things like, oh, I need to get that planner. Oh, I needed to get that gratitude journal. Oh yeah, I heard about coloring books. I want to go find one that helps me relax. So your job is to answer one question. What problem am I solving? Think about it. Would you help teachers? Would you help parents? College students? Would you be trying to help someone lose weight? Manage anxiety? What problem will your book solve? For me, I saw that there was lack of diversity in coloring books when I started publishing in 2018. I couldn't find any coloring books that had a realistic Black woman on the cover, so I created it. Also, back to that 9-to-5 job. You have been learning and developing skills while working there, and you don't even realize some of those skills can become books. If you're a teacher, you can create educational workbooks. If you're a nurse, medication trackers for your clients, health journals, patient resources. If you're an artist, coloring books. Y'all know I love coloring books, so. But all I'm saying is don't leave all that knowledge at work every day. And I was gonna make this video much longer, but my phone keeps saying I'm running out of storage space, so I gotta go and wrap it up. But maybe you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck. Maybe you want another income stream. You want to leave something behind for your children. Start publishing books on Amazon KDP, even if you're a beginner. All right, I gotta go. Until next time, bye-bye.